Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Yale smart lock model and inserting 4 AA batteries so the unit has power. Next, grab a Phillips screwdriver, your phone, and the Wi-Fi name plus password. These are required. Remove the interior cover to expose the mounting screws and make sure the deadbolt is fully retracted. This prevents motor strain. Once done, loosely mount the interior plate so the lock can sit flush, while you test rotation and electronic engagement before tightening screws. Open the Yale app and create an account or sign-in. You'll need this to manage users and settings. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on, then follow the app's pairing prompts to detect the lock. Allow permissions when asked. Calibrate the lock by running the auto-calibration routine so the motor learns latch travel and direction, which prevents jams. After calibration, add at least one user code and enable auto-lock timing so the door secures itself after the delay you choose. Finish by tightening the interior screws and testing both manual thumb turn operation and powered lock/unlock from the app. Verify consistent operation. If you want remote control, connect the lock to a Yale Wi-Fi hub or compatible bridge and confirm cloud access in the app. Make sure auto-lock, notifications, and guest schedules are set. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Replace the batteries, rerun calibration, and confirm the app has Bluetooth and location permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.